All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Dogelon. I do think Dogelon is going to make a really good play in the next bull run. It is going to probably 20, 30, probably maybe 40x, but at minimum, at least a 20x, I would say. So if I make some good plays and I get a 5x here, 10x here, I may roll that money over if Dogelon waits for me and load up on some Dogelon Mars um, and then get that 20x out of that money. But that is not financial advice. It's just one of the plans I have in place for the next bull run. If something's going to wait for me and I get a 5x here, 10x there, then I'll take that money and then I'll take that profit and then I'll roll it over into something like Dogelon or Shiba, whatever's still waiting for me that hasn't moved. And then we'll get that 20, 30, 40x, whatever it's going to be. But with that said, looking at Dogelon here, it's holding up here on the 3-day chart, the 1618 at 127. You can see we had that large wick form, came all the way down to 933. Currently sitting at 1315, and it held up. So we're holding this support level. But here on the 3-day chart, you can notice it is holding pretty much every level almost to a T here. Just bouncing off of each level here. Held this 786 for one candle, came down here to the bottom and then just kind of tried to get back over. It's just crazy how it holds these levels. So we're holding the 1618 here at 127, and I like the looks of this wick here. So the bottom may be in for Dogelon. Maybe you guys that bought down here on this wick bottom, that may have been the bottom for Doge here. Maybe we're going to go sideways now and then eventually up in that next bull run. But just like I said, keeping it simple here, just what to watch for. As long as you stay above 127, then you may bounce up to 154. So a 15-16% move to your first resistance here. And then if we can get past 154, your next stop would be the 175 area for a 33% move. But like I said, we may end up doing something like this on Dogelon where we're just kind of bouncing around here, which could be possible here, and just go sideways for a while if this is going to be our bottom here. Hopefully it is our bottom, and we just kind of accumulate over the next couple of months and get ready for that next run. So we'll see how it plays out, but just kind of keep an eye on that price there. And then, like I said, if you bounce, 154 is your first stop. And if this is not going to be our bottom and we lose that price level, you have that wick bottom here for a 29% drop. And then if we take that 938 level out, 938, 933, whatever it's going to be, you can see there's a lurking almost 50% drop down here to this 6.8 level. The reason we stopped here on this wick is if we just scroll back in time, you can see that we do have some support here, or support here rather, resistance, resistance. So it is some kind of a volume level here. That's why it stopped here. You do have some volume in play here, and you can see clearly if you take that out, you're just going to drop probably all the way down here to the 2618, all the way back to the bottom for Dogelon, which could be the case. We could drop all the way down here, go sideways, and then we'll pump, and then we'll get like a 50x out of Dogelon here in the next bull run. So in the meantime, just kind of watch these prices where we're sitting. We are holding support. I like the looks of this wick. It looks like a bottom has been put in. So we're either going to go sideways or we're going to start grinding our way back to the upside here. So we'll see how it plays out. The Heikin-Ashi candles, of course, are printing red here. So we'll see if they roll over to green and we can start going up or sideways. But yeah, just watch those prices on the 3-day chart here and we'll see where this thing goes. But yeah, we'll leave it at that. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone, and peace out.